Hey y'all, this screencast will show you how to get to our ebook since we're doing online stuff. So in Google, you'll type in Sora, and it's the first one. It's soraapp.com. So I've already logged in on here, so it knows that my school is Cecil County Public Schools. You guys might have to select that. Then you sign in using Cecil County Public Schools, and it'll connect through your CCPS Google account. You want to use that, not your personal one, because then it won't say that you have any libraries. So here's Cecil County Public Schools. We got a bunch of cool stuff, but for today, you're going to go search for a book up in the left, type in Callings, and you want this blue one. So you're just going to click Borrow, and it's going to open up right away. And sometimes it takes a little bit to load. So I'm going to hit close, and you see it's still down here. Then you can open it up back and it loads. Sometimes it's just funky at first. So this is what it looks like when you're in here. You can kind of drag along and it flips the pages this way for you. That can be a little tougher. So if you go over, you can view it as one big thing with all these tools up here. You can search within the book. You can bookmark a page with this little flag. You click this guy, you can search, and then I like this option where it tells you the chapters. This will make it really easy to find the stuff. So what you guys are going to read today, you're going to want to read the introduction. So you'll click to page 16 is the introduction. Okay, and you'll do that, and then later on you're going to read 3 different stories, astronomer, bridge tender, and forensic artist. And if you scroll down, it's below dreamers. You can see there's the astronomer, the bridge tender, and then the forensic artist. So all you got to do is click on that chapter and it takes you, and you can just kind of drag and you scroll to read using your the keys on your computer. That's how you get to the next page, is using the arrow keys. And then they give you little pictures of the people talking, which is cute. So that's how you use this. And then when you're done reading, you can escape from here by clicking and hit close, and it brings you back. And if you're on the home page, it shows you what you have out on loan, so it's super easy to open it up, and it gives you, I believe, 28 days until you have to renew it. So this is how you will access the book for this unit number 1.